guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you cream of pumpkin soup or pumpkin soup, so please stick around and watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you like this video, and share, and also leave a comment down below, so please stay tuned. Our ingredients are, we have pumpkin and carrot. We have about a pound of pumpkin and half pound of carrot. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have 2 tablespoons of butter, and we have some heavy cream, which 1 cup, and we have chopped onion and some celery. And these are our ingredients, guys. First, I'm going to start by turning the heat on, and then I'm going to add the butter. If you don't got butter, you can use oil, you can use vegetable oil, any oil of your choice. And I'm just gonna add the onions and the celery and the garlic. And what the butter is gonna do is give it a nice flavor. And you just wanna go and saute these vegetables until they're translucent. You don't want to give them any color, but you just want to go and saute them until they're translucent. Okay? So you're going to do this for at least 2 minutes. The onions are nicely smelling so good, and they're turning transparent now. So it's time for you to go. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of this seasoning, Sazon complete seasoning. You can skip this part out, but I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Sazon seasoning. I'm going to use some ground black pepper. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper there. And now I'm just going to add the carrots and the onion. I'm just going to add the carrots and the pumpkin, sorry. And I'm gonna add 4 cups of water to it, and I'm just gonna bring this to a boil until the pumpkin are nice and soft. If you got chicken stock, vegetable stock, you can also use that too, but everybody got water, right? So we're using water today. So we're just gonna leave this to boil and let the pumpkin soften up at least 15 minutes. Pumpkin and the carrots are boiled. They're done, guys. Look at this. Very soft and nice. And now I'm gonna let this cool down so I can add it to the blender, because I don't have a handheld blender. So I'm gonna use the good old-fashioned blender and blend it. So I'm waiting for this to be cooled down, and then I'm gonna puree it. Guys, you don't want to go straight ahead, because your blender will crack if you add heat to it. Now that the soup is cool, I'm just gonna go ahead and puree. Look at this beautiful color, man. Jesus. And smelling so good. Ooh. Let me get my spatula. And then you just want to go ahead and ensure it's all pureed. See? Nice and creamy. Look at this. Oh my. I'm gonna puree one more. Now it's all done. Look at this. I'm just gonna pour back this into the pot. See, nice and creamy, guys. Look at this. Smelling so good, man. Look at this. And then I'm gonna turn the heat on and low, just a little low. Wow, you just can go straight ahead and drink it, like eat it, drink it, whatever you do with soup, just like this. But I'm just gonna go ahead and add some cream to it, and this is just some heavy cream. You can add coconut cream, whatever type of cream you want to add to it, you add to it. See, beautiful color, guys. Look at this, and smelling so good. And now I'm just gonna add some salt to taste. Spoon of salt. Beautiful color, beautiful smell, and I know the flavors gonna taste good. Let me taste. This is it, guys. This tastes so good. You don't need no meat. Go and make yourself some of this nice appetizing pumpkin soup, guys. This is so appetizing and nice. Oh my god, it's smelling good, look good, it tastes good. Look at this. Look at this creamy soup. If you already reached this far into the video, guys, I'm telling you, don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video. Share this to your auntie, share this to your uncle, share this to your nephew and niece. Share this to everybody you know, guys. And don't forget to comment down below on what you guys think. Leave me some pumpkins in the comment section. Comment down below. Pumpkin, and that's it. And I'm gonna pour it into my soup bowl because I'm just warming it up back now, because remember we cool it down to blend it, because you like your soup nice and warm, right? And look at this beautiful pumpkin soup, guys. Please go ahead and make you some cream of pumpkin soup or pumpkin soup. It's the seasoning for soups now, so this is a perfect recipe with easy and simple ingredients for you guys. Look at this. Now I'm just gonna pour this into my bowl. Look at this, guys. No, book on the nice soup. I'm gonna use some fresh parsley just for garnish on top. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test for this one. This cream, I just dip into this creamy goodness. Look at this. Oh my. I'm gonna let it cool for a bit. And I'm just gonna taste. Oh, this heals my soul. It tastes so good, guys. I'm not kidding. Go ahead and make yourself some cream of pumpkin soup or pumpkin soup. This is so delicious, guys. I'm not kidding. Go and make yourself some right now. This is simple and easy. This is good if you're a vegetarian. Exclude the milk. This is just awesome. Don't forget to share again and subscribe. Bye guys, thanks for watching.